Hello, you're watching PhotowalksTV from beautiful Boulder, Colorado. Come and visit.
How about that for a Rocky Mountain High? You're looking at the Flatiron Mountains of Boulder, Colorado, a cool college town with a funky downtown and so many photo ops. Where to find them? Well, for this episode of PhotowalksTV, we go direct to the source, the locals.
They should come visit Boulder because it really is, it's an amazing small city. It's got a college, so there's a lot of young people and a lot of energy. You got great restaurants, and you've also got the beautiful Rocky Mountains right behind you. Well, it's that iconic image of Boulder. It's right out of urban downtown Boulder is this area, Chautauqua Park and the Flatiron, and it's surrounded by 28,000 acres of open space that's owned by the citizens of Boulder.
Because Flatirons you're not going to find them anywhere but Boulder, and that's what brings a lot of people as well.
All right, let's go see Boulder. Now, this is a great place to see and photograph on foot, and let's begin with my friend Greg and his 4 key photo spots to look out for.
Postcard number 1, Pearl Street. Postcard number 2, the Flatirons. Postcard number 3, Chautauqua Dining Hall with the music hall behind it, because you kind of get the Flatirons in the background, so you get 2 for 1. One more postcard, Boulder Creek. Get down to Boulder Creek, get a nice postcard of the creek.
You can technically do all of them on foot in under an hour, but to get the best views of town from above, you're gonna need a car. The walking portion, well, here we go, starting on Pearl Street.
Everyone who comes to Boulder comes to Pearl. Pearl is very well known. It's all pedestrian, 4 blocks. Restaurants, retail stores, vendors. It attracts a lot of people from all over.
Photographically, for me, the highlights are the old buildings dating back to the 1860s. Have fun with your smartphone picking up some of the details. Does this great old courthouse, which is on the National Register of Historic Buildings, stand out to you? Because it sure does to me. I love the artwork and I love the fountain. As always, shots taken during the day really pale in comparison to what I was able to get at dusk when they turned the lights on. Meanwhile, don't forget to hit the side streets too. That's where I found the great old Boulder Theater. The artwork there was stunning by day, but again, at night, with the neon on, a way cooler presentation. Now, to get great night shots, put your smartphone camera on the wide 1x lens, which is the sharpest and the best for low light. While downtown, my pal Felix pointed out where to get the best overhead shot of Boulder without using a drone at a restaurant called Avanti.
They've got all these little restaurants inside, and there's a super nice rooftop area where you can see the Flatirons really well and all of Pearl Street, and the sunsets are really beautiful there.
At Avanti, I set an iPhone up on the ledge for an extended time lapse, and I let it roll for about an hour because that's what you do. When I saw the clouds flying through the sky, I got really excited because they can really make a time lapse sing. For more information on how to make a time-lapse video on your iPhone, I've got the video just for you. It's right here on this channel, so go check it out. Now, before you leave Pearl Street, if you'd like to see a little nostalgia or just want to see some beautiful Victorian homes from another time, well, check out Pine Street. This was the fictional home of TV's Mork Mindy in the 1970s and 80s. If you don't remember the show, ask the parents. This is where Robin Williams first found fame. Now let's head down the street to another one of Greg's favorites, Boulder Creek. Right here in the center of town, across the street from the main library, a river runs through Boulder, and it goes really fast, fast enough for tubing and kayaking. This is also a popular spot for cycling and walking. Finally, let's head over to Chautauqua Park and those miles and miles of hikes. There are the beautiful Flatiron Mountains, the #1 symbol of Boulder.
They're just flat sandstone pieces of rock, and they're cut a certain way where naturally cut, but you're not gonna find it anywhere else. And so there's lots of hikes that go up there. You can climb up on the Flatirons and look over the rest of Boulder. So yeah.
Where are you going to get a good picture of the Flatiron?
Chautauqua Park. Chautauqua Park is about 15 minutes from Pearl Street. There's a park there, restaurants, hiking, you can picnic, and it's awesome.
After the climb, finish up at the Chautauqua Dining Hall, another historic beauty dating back to 1898. Then let's go up the hill about a 15-minute drive. This is where I shot my opening scene for the video, and I explored with my pals Jim and Susan. Thank you for bringing me up here.
Totally my
Local
pleasure.
guy, that was the best spots in town. Tell everybody what this spot is.
Well, Boulder has a series of ridges over it that collect the morning light, and so it's fabulous for photographing then. But sometimes you want to see the sunset, and you have to come up to the top of Flagstaff Mountain, park over there, hike along the ridge, and then dropping off to the west, you have the dramatic view of the divide. It's the special little place. It was an honor to get to bring you here this morning.
And what do you like about up here?
Oh my God, what don't I like? The view, the air, the smell, the sound.
And if people want to come, they just go up Baseline Road, which becomes Flagstaff Road, right?
Go up Flagstaff Mountain, through all the way up to the mountain park at the top, through it to Artist Point.
Artist Point, which the sign has a camera on it, right?
Can't argue.
Yeah, I can't argue. Mornings are the best time to shoot the big mountain.
Flatirons from down low. Chautauqua is the classic where you were this morning. And then afternoon, it's usually tough, but this is the secrecy.
Lastly, I came up with one more great photo spot for a shot of the Flatirons. It was out of town a bit at the local high school of all places, in the parking lot. I flew my drone over the lake and got great views of the mountains from here. And just a few miles away from Pearl Street in downtown Boulder, the back streets near the high school brought me down a lonely road past incredibly picturesque farms and vistas that I will never forget. Thank you, Boulder. So that's Boulder. If you have any questions or concerns, please leave them in the comments below. If you haven't already, please subscribe, please like, please share, all that good stuff. For more information about Boulder, be sure to check out the blog section of the PhotowalksTV website. We are off, continuing up the road on this wonderful road trip, so stay tuned for more episodes of PhotowalksTV, and I'll see you on the next Photo Walk. Bye-bye.